The Slop rocket, I designed it for riding in fairly average conditions. It's got a pretty good variety of waves you can ride it in. It's got a full single concave, which means it traps more water. So it should have a little bit more acceleration, a bit more performance, because you've got a bit more rocker in the rail line. It does have a good bit of volume. Designed to actually paddle and catch waves pretty well still. I've tried to lower a bit of entry curve, but keep a lot of speed through the midsection of the board. It hasn't got a double, it's got a big single concave in it, so it traps a lot more water and can actually create a lot more acceleration. The nose rocker's fairly low, but it's got a little bit of tweak at the end. Tail's not extreme as well, but it's actually got a fair bit of rail line lift. Once you tip it onto rail, you've actually got a fair bit of rail line rocker to actually help you turn and gain rise and fall. So we've put a diamond tail on it. It still gives you a bit of curve. So, it's not a hard, abrupt, hard square. It's actually got a bit of flow and a bit of curve with it. It's crossing over from a rounded square to a pintail. So you got just that bit more flow with it at times, but you still got fast break points in it to release the water as well. Usually in the Slop rocket, we've got the thruster set up, so the 3 fins. You can get them in both, obviously, FCS and Futures. Thrusters will give you more drive down the line, give you a bit more speed. You can push off it and it'll push back. It's a bit more of the young to middle-aged sort of guys who want something with a bit of volume and a bit of performance in it as well, so you can actually get it on rail and turn it. The Slop rocket's best suited to the younger to intermediate guy who will actually want to go out and surf all sorts of conditions, but have that option of surfing a lot of small wave slop.